Hi, my name is Taruna. I am the owner of the Goddard School in Alexandria. In our Twos program, our children are 24 to 36 months.
My name is Gabrielle and I'm a Twos teacher. Twos are active, they're very curious, they are open to learning and exploring and discovering things on their own. With the Twos, we work on hand-eye coordination, we find motor skills, gross motor skills. We work on things such as science when they're learning to explore how things move, how things operate.
We follow STEAM, so our children are actually engaged and all the learning is hands-on. With our learning program, which is inquiry-based, our teachers are more of guides because children are really interested and asking questions. They are involved in what they are doing. That is something which really helps because children think that they are playing, but they are actually learning.